What's the name that one? Break dance? That's break dance. It's break dance. What animals this one? You know the animals this one? What's the name? It's like it's not giraffe, no? I think it's not. It's like, I don't know, I forgot what it's look like. Break dance pa. Parang it's not giraffe. It's another. It's not. It's not. There is another one. I forgot what's the name. I-make ko nga yan kung anong hitsura yan. Kalihon, choy. Hindi, sit down ka lang, ha? I just make the video the fish. Oh, ayan. Breakdance, kaya pala breakdance, so because up and down, patay siya mo kay ano, yung stomach, kaya pala breakdance, the title, kasi up and down pala. What kind of animals this one? I don't know, I forgot what's the name this one. Oh, I forgot the name of this animal. Oh, you see? Oh, it's you remember the animals that it's jumping like this one if they are walking? I forgot. That's why the title is break dance, because jump like this one, and this one naman, oh, oh, yan, dolphin, oh, baby shark. Baby shark pala to, baby shark, oh. Oh, diba? Oh. Joyland, inside of the Joyland. Hello friends, how are you? Oh. Oh, ayan, oh. Okay. And me, naka-light pala to. Kaya pala they are looking. No. Hi, hello. We are here. It's far away. Maybe it's far away. Hi, hello. Tabing yata in this side yata yung ano. Doon yata yun, on that side. Oh, yeah. Make sure that we are inside the camera.